Welcome to Tornado Tuesday. I got a guest. His name is Johnny AC3, but unfortunately he was wiped out by a rival Fed. We all know it was UW, but we all know also they will not fess up to it. I also want to get some answers because I want to know how in the hell he got into the fatal four-way at the Rumble to capture my United States title. So, I guess I'm going to have to go find him if I'm going to get the answers I want. Because apparently, no one's heard or seen from him since. So, I'm going to go find this guy real quick. Found him. I want to know how the hell you got in my fatal four-way.
Because I can.
Who gave you the opportunity? Well, I want to know.
Jay Masker, because I'm a fucking golden god.
Jay Masker, that was his idea.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to super kick that guy in the mouth. Because of him, you got my title. I want it back. Get one more thing to say? Before I have to kill you, bro.
That's your fault.
Okay, one more question. Was it UW that attacked you?
Yeah.
What's that? UW? I don't need your help. And for you, get the title back. Where's the super kick? Ugh.
Fuck this shit.